Welcome to the Teaching Bites podcast. Here are your hosts, Fred and Sharon Jaravada.
This is the Teaching Bites show. Welcome.
And I'm Fred Jaravada.
And I'm Sharon Jaravada.
Where we connect you
with people
and ideas
to take your teaching
to that
next level.
All right.
And today's question is, should you...
Well,
no.
Go ahead. Sorry.
Should you get rid of your teacher desk or not?
That can be controversial, but you know where I stand.
And you know where I stand, so here we go.
Well, where I stand. All right. So I have a standing desk at school.
Yes, you do.
I got rid of my old, clunky. It was really well made. It was an Anthro desk, one of those really expensive desks that we actually won 10 years ago. My ex-colleague, my former colleagues, Joanne and Ginny. Hey guys, if you're listening, hi
ladies.
I think it was Ginny that entered us into the Anthro contest.
Oh, really?
We won 3 desks.
I didn't even know. I thought you guys bought those.
Nope, they were given to us. We won them.
Oh, nice.
And
Super.
So I used that for years and years and years. Nice, big, beautiful desk. But they're just stuck and they're heavy, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I got rid of them, and somebody took them.
And that's me.
Not Sharon. She took the desk. Well, I asked him. We're going to throw it away. We're going to give it to somebody else. But obviously, I asked you first if you wanted it, and
one man's trash is another man's treasure.
Because you had a really crappy desk before.
Yeah, it was very small, wooden, older than me desk, barely any room to put anything, and the surface wasn't big enough for me to spread out all my stuff I needed to do to work. So when you gave me that desk, it changed my organization. Yeah, and I'm so happy I could put everything.
Such an organized
nicely.
person.
Yeah.
But here's the thing, you put more stuff on that desk, didn't you?
Yeah, but it's a little bit more because
So it was a lot of clutter. Even though it's organized, it was still a lot of clutter. Everything was out.
Yeah, but I like that. Because it was all in one place.
Okay, so that goes to that goes to this question then. Would you get rid of your desk?
No.
Why not?
Because I like having my space so I could do my work, and it's.
But don't you want a space of work that you don't have all these clutter, all this?
It's
stuff?
not really clutter.
No.
No, but I know what you mean.
Okay. I would get rid of it because I have my desk, and I do have. It's a standing desk that has wheels.
Yeah. Tell us your dimensions about like how big it is, because it's very small.
Yeah,
it's like
maybe
a square,
it's
right?
about. It's a square size with a hydraulic middle in the middle, and it goes down to 4 legs that has wheels, so it's movable. It's about maybe 36 inch by 36 inches.
And you can raise it up and down.
You can raise it up and down very easily. It's a name brand thing that I'm not going to mention right now, but it's fairly expensive. It's very useful for me. You guys know I'm in the makerspace, and I could roll around it. I could move it easily. Yes, I have some stuff on it that shouldn't be there, but it's not much as you think. Maybe, like.
You have Post-its.
Post-its, plastic.
Sharpies.
I even have like some plastic, or not the plastic, they're like potato-based compost.
Your lunch is on it.
Utensils and napkins all over the place. Even some stuff I don't get rid of. I kind of, there is clutter. I gotta admit that, but it's not, no Cheetos. but there isn't any staple on it. There's not much.
Yeah, but the thing is, I'm a self-contained teacher. I have a self-contained classroom,
it's
right?
It's a different
So if you were in my classroom, right?
Right.
Would you have?
I think I would get rid of it. I wouldn't have your desk, my former desk. I would use a bare Spartan standing up desk. Right? And maybe the question is, should you get rid of a teacher desk? Right? What does that mean? Maybe a traditional teacher desk, get rid of that. Like this is the teacher desk. Maybe the point is to be flexible in a way that kids can even use your desk, and you move around. You can move around the. There's no center of the classroom. As a teacher, you can move around. You can situate yourself there, here. I know a lot of teachers, you guys don't like that. You want your home base. I get that. But maybe, and in my makerspace, that's my home base, even though it rolls around. But maybe there is something where you can get rid of the teacher desk and experiment with that. Do you think teachers will like that?
I don't know, but yours still counts as a teacher desk.
But my kids use it a lot too.
Oh, okay. So it's not yours. And mostly it's yours, but
even teachers come to me. They use it as their desk too.
Oh, okay.
So, and again, my circumstance is different, where they come in and do work. They sit down next to me, they stand up right next to me. They keep working. So it's a shared or maybe public, a shared desk, which I am mostly there on it, but it's shared.
Well, actually, now that I think about it, if I get rid of mine and used yours in my room, I have more room for the kid stuff.
Right.
If you think of it like that, right? More room for...
Because that desk you have is huge.
It's big. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of space.
Mm-hmm. So that could be a pro.
Yeah.
Like more room for kids' things.
And the con is
chairs.
that it'll probably disrupt the teacher's workflow, because I know that's their home base, right?
But just because you've always been doing it doesn't mean it's always the thing you're supposed to do.
Change can be rough, right?
Yeah.
But maybe something people can...
Something to think about, Okay.
All right, folks, if you guys like this episode, go ahead and share with everyone else that you know of, everyone in the universe. Please leave an honest review. Go ahead and subscribe and rate our show.
Yeah, and if you have any questions or tips...
And let us know what you think about. Should you get rid of your teaching desk?
Yeah, you can email me at Sharon@teachingbytes.com.
Or at Fred@teachingbytes.com.
Okay?
All right, folks.
All right. See you later.
Thank you for listening to the Teaching Bytes podcast at www.teachingbytes.com.